The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are
Morning,
in
guys.
listen-only mode.
Excuse me. Morning, guys. Very good morning. Happy Thursday, fellas. Happy Thursday. Guys, very good morning to you. Today, we have a little bit of news. 8:30, we have continuing and initial jobless claims. Excuse me. And at 10 o'clock, we have a little bit of non-important news. No Fed speakers today, no earnings of any interest. Yesterday, Netflix and Tesla both reported, and Tesla's down $10, $11 at the moment. And Netflix was off big last I looked. Let's see where we're at now. Down $26 on Netflix. Not the time to go bottom fishing yet. Currently, the Nasdaq's off 89 points, ES off 5, YM up 35. They're buying small caps. EMD and Russell. EMD is up 7. Russell's up 7. Russell's up 3.5%. And roughly EMD is up 2.5. Yeah, as long as you're at 280, right? You got $15. I doubt this thing sells off $15. In any event, anybody that may have run the bot this morning, if we go back to education that I did, you may recall that Deepak does longs only from 7 o'clock to 8:15. I turned the bot on, and currently I've got one up 370. No, 695. I'm sorry, 695. The last trade was 370. Bot's up 695. And I've got another one up $100. It was down, got a nice long, simply because I failed to set it for longs only. So that's my faux pas. In any event, yours was up 682. All right, so the one that was set correctly for longs only is at 685, right? 695. So we're within $13. Perfect. Yeah, I didn't change the setting from longs only. I finished up $450, but back and forth trading. Markets were up and down on volume. We are currently trending up what looks like to 890 area. The bot, for those of you guys that are on trial, we did pass an evaluation yesterday. I don't know if I updated it. That's 3 this week. So here, that's 3 in the room. See if we can get another one today. My opinion is this move up is just a retracement to load shorts. That is an opinion. We're not going very far, I don't think. Apple's off 66 cents. AMD's down 64. Amazon's off 75 currently. Microsoft is up 82 cents. Nvidia's down 377. Tesla's off $10. Netflix is down. I mean, I don't see any. Meta's down $2. It would seem to me that we're going to be in shorts on the reversal. And this is just a retracement of the overnight lows. In any event, I'll read the disclaimer. We'll look at some charts. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own account. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. 55 is target 1. Okay. No, nothing this week. Todd. All right, you just hit it. 54.75. Target 1 should be hit. Next target down, there's target 1 on gold. If anybody kept gold, anybody staying gold? Right back. Now it's dumping. NASDAQ's next target, guys, is 42.42. You kept gold. Nice. Okay, Ray. Gold getting creamed. You dog. Gold can come down to 77 if anybody has runners on gold. ES breaking. I mean, NASDAQ could come all the way down to 804, I guess, if we get through that double bottom at 17, daily low. Next target, 25.26. This is a short that started just before the news at 62 and then was given again at 45. All right, we're coming into the lows. Guys, this breaks 15. I'm telling you, this is going to be a cremation. Meanwhile, gold can't even find a buyer anywhere on the planet. Still killing it. Bro, this is getting really close to getting completely dusted. Resistance now 26. Here comes the low of the day, 17 quarter. Into resistance here at 26 area. This zone that was support, now resistance. This could bounce back to 38. See if gold is fine. Yeah, gold found 57 people on the planet that want to own it. Crude still chopping around. This looks to me bullish. It's got to get above the point of control. 2 minute is short. You're short crude on a 2 minute. Target one is, it's not much, 9 ticks. Might make 41 would be target one, and then 34. Gold, nothing. I'd be long gold above 81.2, but short of that, nothing. Let me see bonds. Might have gotten that unfinished auction. Yep. Yields are rising. Yields are rising. Dollars rising. NASDAQ's trading back now into that resistance. Looks like a little bit of retracement ahead of the open. Held the day low. NASDAQ could, yes, could bounce back to 88. That's resistance. We're fouling that resistance zone for the moment. Failed resistance. Was support, now resistance. I suspect this is the move that's going to blow the low. Small sellers, but it's pre-market. Come on down. No momentum here, guys, ahead of the open. Crude dippity doing around. Or else it's just going to come right back down. We're off. There it is to that 45, 46. It stopped right at 46. It's trying to push through 45, 46. There are buyers. It's failing that 45, 46. If this gets above 53, it's going to rock. Maybe 54. Look at this son of a gun go. Gets above 54, and I think we want to be long, guys. Down to 2,500 sellers. We were as high as 34. It's trying. All right, guys. I'll pen to 54 long. I'm right at VWAP. It could hit that and fail. So let's make that 55. First target is 66. First target is 66. Call it 64. Target 164. Got it. Free trade here. That's a boo-yah baby. A little bit of resistance going to be right here. 72. There you go, guys. Got to get through this zone and hold it. If we get through that zone, we're good. We push through it to 79. Come on. Push it, baby. Push it. There you go. We're through. Come on. You got them now. 1,000 buyers in that 3-minute block on this candle. 1,000 net buyers. All right, I'm going to sell one more. Nope, not yet. I'm looking to take one. Got 1,000. All right. Sold one, holding one. Sold one, holding one. Yes, pumping up the jam. Man, buying BTFD in full force. Buying the damn dip. A little bit of a trend line at that daily resistance. All right, guys. Some sellers coming in back to 2,000 buyers. I still think this can get 97. 97 is the final target. Still have one on, up 300 bucks. 97 is final target. All right, so show of hands here. Who saw that coming? Probably nobody, right? Whole world wanted to be short, yes? Order flow, man. Order flow. Remember, I don't care what you think. Trade what we see. Anybody long? Got 400 sellers coming in, block sellers, 800. I'm out. I'm flat. Sellers coming in, fellas. Sellers coming in. Got 900 sellers in this block. They're actually getting absorbed, but they can't absorb all this. Now we're going to come probably back down. $1,300 sellers that they're selling the living bejesus out of them. We're back. We're almost back to that net negative delta of 3,300. Where it's a short. It's a short. 1,500 sellers in this block, and they're not killing this thing. It's got to come down. It's got to come down. They can hold this VWAP for a minute. We're at 3,200. No way. I don't have a trade on yet, but I'm watching the flow. I'm just watching here, guys. They sold a dump truck full in that last 3-minute bar. I don't know how this doesn't break lower. We're at the highest net negative delta of the day. 3,300 and change again. This cannot stay here. It can't. Come on, break it down. Cannot stay here. 33 fit. We're hanging out right around the high of the net negative delta on the day. All sellers. How is this not rolling over? Can't go higher with net selling. Unless somebody's buying this stuff, but why would they buy it? Who's absorbing this? I'm out based on delta. If this goes to 97, it does. Don't care. We got the easy money in. All right, let me get my bots turned on. Roll over, you die, you dog. Just die. Maybe 55 short. I'm looking at numbers. Let's build in a pennant up here on a 2-minute. There is no way in holy heck you can convince me to take a long. I don't care where it goes. I'm watching for the short. Here, oh, no. Man, inside bars. Crude is stupid. 76.50's target on crude. Q's getting a little bit of a push. Still an inside bar. No way I'm taking a long here. I'll be short. Got to get a close below 860. It's got to close below 860. This is getting close to flopping. We're at 4,000 sellers, guys. 4,000. And this could come all the way back to 815. I don't know how this is up here. I really don't. Inside bar. $3,900 and change. We tickled 4,000. Some small buyers in here. 39 back over 4,000. It's trying to break down. There's no way this can stay here on that delta. There's no way. 4,400. What in the hell? And it's not rolling over? And 4,400. Can't be. Come on, 55 seconds to the bar. Here it comes. Come on. If it closes below 59.50, you can aggressively short it now. You can short it. I'm waiting for the bar to close. 4,600. Man, I'm stumped. Really, I'm stumped on this Delta. They are selling them six-fisted. No, not going to get the short. They bought 300 back. When it rolls, it's going to roll hard. There is no freaking way. ES is pushing up nicely. If ES breaks above 45.95, I think you can trade that long to 03. I'm not taking it. I just am watching this NASDAQ and this Delta. I mean, it is stupid. Since the open, they've sold another 1,300 contracts net. 14. Everybody sit tight. This thing looks like it wants to go to 93. I'm not touching it. Not long. Broke out of that 15-minute bear flag like a champ. This is just really blowing my mind. Just sit tight, guys. We got the easy trade. I mean, it's potentially a long way down, all the way back to 816. to 4,000 sellers. Sellers coming in again. There's minor 10 o'clock news, but that isn't going to do it, guys. All right. Now it's that resistance is holding a bit. 32 seconds to the next 3-minute bar close. I mean, this thing looks like it wants to squeeze to yesterday's low at 911. There's no way I'm taking long up here. No way in hell. $5,000 sellers. 5,000. Come on, you rat bastard. Let's go. Give us a target. I am 5,100, guys. The net selling is not slowed down one bit. One bit. Nice job, Stuart. Nice job. On the bot. Nice job. Come on, unleash the gates of hell. We could back test 77, 78, small buyers in here. Come on, drop down. Let's go. I'm dumbfounded. They bought a few hundred back. Guys, I have no idea what is propping this up at all. I really don't. I don't know how this just doesn't crater. Needed to push down below that little swing at 63.50, and it should give us target pretty quick. There we go. Come on, held VWAP. There's no way this doesn't get crucified. There's no way. $5,300 sellers. Nobody's buying this. I just don't get why this thing isn't coming down like a madman. Come on, one more push. Tell me you're waiting on pending home sales. Come on. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, you missed me by a tick. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Seriously? I'm not flinching. Because if this breaks below 65, this could come all the way back to 16. Existing homes is a miss. Target filled. Told you. There's no way. No way. Bot short. 1. Here we come. 16 is target. 16 is next target. Who's short? Got to break below the 2-minute cloud. Next target. Man, we probably could have taken one off at 31. I told you guys. I mean, listen, I can read order flow. All sellers, man. It is all sellers. Got to break through that zone, which was smite resistance. We are at 6,500 net sellers. Now they got longs trapped on that move up. My next target I would like to get, we could take 31 as a target. It's the bottom of the 2-minute cloud. This could bounce back to 50. There are no buyers. Bot short again with 2. This is it right here. You guys can take some risk off here if you want, but if we flush this bottom of the 2 minute, it's going to get buried. Up 1,300 on the bot. 1,700. I'll take 1 at 16. Call it 17. From 70. Come on, blow out here. Blow out here. And then if we break 805, it comes down to 85. That would be my final target, 85. Who's up for 100 bagger? Missed me by a few ticks so far. $17 target filled. Now it's just free and queer. You're welcome, Joe. And to quote a line from one of my favorite movies of all time, fuck you, Joe Boo. Retail's completely bagged. Just hold the trade, guys. 87 next target. Holding that monthly support. Yeah, there you go, Ken. You know the movie. No idea about ES, man. No idea, dude. Nor do I care. ES is hanging in there. ES is hanging in there. ES is not getting annihilated. NASDAQ is getting annihilated. We held that monthly support, but there's no way I'm buying this. That is like one of my favorite all-time movies. Or up to 7,000. We're still coming to 87, guys. I'm telling you. Q's held 2 standard deviations. That's why we're kind of floating here. We need Q's to really push lower. SPY's holding 2. Q's held 3, I'm sorry, but it's curling. $7,100 net sellers. In no planet does anybody want to even think about. Yeah, okay, Mark. I think that freaking blows, dude, like a 57 Chevy. I think this is going to get annihilated. It's just holding that monthly support. That purple line is monthly support. Once we blow down through this, 7,200 sellers, boom. Target is 87. So I'll be nice. I'll give them 88 for one. 88. If you guys didn't make money today on these two trades, you did something different. Back above that monthly. All right. There is nobody coming in to save this NASDAQ. Nice job, Marco. On one account or across all your accounts? Nice job, Ray. Nice job, Marco. Guys, I told you there was no way all those sellers up there. Nice job, Joseph. And Jonathan passed another. So two guys today have passed evaluations on the bot. One on crude, and Jonathan on what? There we go, guys. Give me 17. NQ. There we go. $1,400 runner. Boom. Here comes my 17. 87. Here's my trend bot, fellas. Up $2,100. Come on. Give me 87. 87. Not 92. I don't want to give this too much drawback with 6 contracts on, fellas. So, come on. Get back down here. All right. Up 1,900 on the day. Nice job, Sophie. I'm holding for that 87, guys. It's a no-risk trade here. Came damn close. Not close enough. I want 87. 8,000 sellers. 8,000. All right, you can have it. Come on. It's got to push back down below 800, guys. All right. I'm flat. I'm flat for now. Everybody good? I've got us 87, then 74 below that. But we could bounce back up to, I don't know who the heck's going to buy it. But we could bounce back up. I mean, I honestly don't know who in their right mind would buy this thing at this point. You're welcome, Ryan. Let me just take a look around here, guys. ES held support, getting a bounce. Guys, they're buying YM. Q's getting a bid. Q's could go back 83. If you guys have the guts to take Q calls, you could buy 383 Q calls. It's a nice bounce here off the lows, but maybe back to 38. YM is hanging in there if you got to be long. Crude's hanging in there if you have to be long. Gold, no bueno. NQ, I would short 44 if it could get there. I don't think it can. There aren't many buyers, though. Could just be short covering down here. I don't think they're. I would be shocked if anybody is a net buyer down here. ES is on the cusp of breaking down. Come on, NASDAQ. If NASDAQ breaks down below 9, it should start moving down again. Doesn't want to break down. Holding support at 01. There it goes. Come now. Come on. Sell them. Held 3-minute bar at 0875. Got to break 0875. You can short 8. Come on. Now come to 87. Come on, come to 8. Just will not break down, man. It will not break down to 87. I do think it's coming down to 87, though. Nice job, Ricky. Let's leave NASDAQ alone for now. Yeah, never mind. Crude probably gives you a pull back into support at 82. Well, the cool thing is, at some point they're going to reverse this. Wheat would be along 720. There's my breakdown. Now it's coming to 87. They'll reverse this at some point today. Yeah, bounced again. Just doesn't want to die. Watch wheat. Natural gas. 728 would be a short. Pound could bounce here. Dollar index must be getting a little bit of a move. Guys, we've taken 2 trades. 2 very nice trades. Here comes my 87. About damn time. There is no reason. Let's see. Going over the trade, I set a target at 15, which was yeah, okay. Did I have 17.75? Give me the damn 87. Don't make a liar out of me. There it is. 87. Finally got that target. We could bounce out of here. Not much. I'm not taking any longs, guys. This is now complete. Let's try 41. I'm going to try 40. 27 to 40. Push here. 32, 33 is going to be some resistance. I know who in their crazy right mind would take a frickin' long today. I would buy. I mean, I would have bought. Who the shoot would take a long today? I don't know. This guy. That's right. Guys, if we can clear this 33, 34, we're going to get that target quickly. Now, if you guys want to take risk off, go ahead. Your prerogative. But if we clear this 33, 34, let me tell you where this could start working up to. 88. We're stuck at this daily resistance. And it just came back down. You stinkeroonie. I'm not giving up on the trade yet. This is the area that I want to see hold. It did. We just need to get through that 34. This pops 34, guys. This could start a major push. We get above 760. This thing is gone. Like yesterday's news, above 60. Come on, got to get above 34. If you guys want to take some risk off, take some off. One clean candle and this rips. Another, there it is. Should go. Come on, you're on top of the support now. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't lose it here. Trade them as you see fit, guys. Your prerogative. This could come back and all the way to 17. Need to get through 29.50 and 32 again. 29.50 and 32. Next 2-minute bar coming right now. Little trend line here. Need to hammer that swing high. Come on. Bow up, baby. Bow up. Bow up. Bots are on. Haven't taken a trade yet. I know y'all are thinking this guy has done lost his mind taking along today. Done lost his marbles. He is flat out. Oh, look at this. 2 ticks. He has flat out lost his mind. Listen, at some point, we're going to bounce. We're heavy on the sell side. They're going to run out of sellers. I'm going to take 3 off here. My target was 40. I missed by 2 ticks. I'm trying to let this damn trade work. You got 900 buyers in this bar, but come on, give me 40. I wanted 40. Give me 40. Hey, Mike. All right. I'm flat. I still like the trade, but I'm flat. Still like the trade. Let me look at this on a 10. ES also went long. ES was the better trade. ES got the long at 76 and it hit 81. NASDAQ's going to go, guys. At netted 866 on the sellers. On the previous bar, a couple hundred sellers come in again. I also like SPYs now up to 455. Just waiting to get rid of Europe and see if we can get the real enchilada. I'm going to try it long here again. Same target, 40 target. This could come back to 19. I would add it 19. Come on, push. Same 40 target. Just float. Next 3-minute bar in 15 seconds. Now we've got to clear 34 again. Sellers back in. This is support. I added 5. I have 10 on. Average cost is 25 and change. I'll try to get out of 5 of them at 29. Come on, pop, you little. Come on, baby, pop. No buyers. They're trying to base it out here. Come on, give me out of half. Come on, 28 quarter. 28 quarter. All right, out of 5. I'm just trading with buyers, guys. When I see the pockets of buyers come in, 3 back at 40. If it doesn't go, I just close the trade. If it gets back above that 34, she's going to rip. My final target is 65. I'm on the close. Flat again. I still like this long, guys. I don't. Oh, you're going to go without me, aren't you? 34 now. Missed it. It's going to go without me. Oh! Oh! 65 target here, guys, now. Got my 40 target. It's got to get through 42. Back into support. Come on, bounce here. If this comes down below 15, it's going to get sold again. No momentum to the downside. It is holding a trend line. As long as we hold this trend line, we're good. We're sitting on it. This gets up through that 41, 42, and this thing is gonna go buoy. 65 becomes my target. Bot hasn't taken a trade, guys. Sophie, I'll send me an email, and I'll send it to you. I'll send you the process. Come on. All right, Marco. See you tomorrow, man. Yeah, if it gets through that 40, 42, it rips, but they're not finding a ton of buyers down here, but they're running out of selling pressure. We're close to a squeeze on the 2-minute, which I think takes us up to 65. That's my target. And then 15,800. I know you guys think I'm nuts, but shorts will start. Europe will start covering shorts. It's 11 o'clock. Oh, it's 11 o'clock. Dang. Nice job, Marco. Got to get through 42. If we get above 60, all right, bot's now long. Needs a grand. It's long 2. Needs a grand. You're welcome, Mark. That's what we do, fellas. Yeah, yesterday was a tougher trade. But there we go. We're through 42. Let's go for 65, baby. Yeah, baby. Come on, 65. Now hold that 42. Go get 52 anyways. Come on, 52. 52. 52's good. Some resistance in here, fellas. Needs to push through 47. A little bit of resistance at 47. It's pushing it. You can see where we stopped, 47. We do have some buyers. 60 is now target. If and above 60, this is going to be, this could be 810. How'd you like me now, baby? Another 300 on the bot. 400. I know y'all thought I was batshit crazy taking longs. Come on, go get that target at 65. That's going to be a tough target. It's got to get above 60, and this could be, this could be the trade. Up 2,600 on the bot today. We need about 500 to clear another. Is there anybody that did not get paid today? We had a pretty dang good day. Getting a small pullback here. All right, we just added another contract. Come on, Trendbot, push. Go get 61. No. Man, you shithead. It's got to come up through this trend line here, guys. Next long would be 59 into 66. There we go. On top of the trend line, now it can push up. All we need is 400, guys. Got to push this little 2-minute resistance at 60, 61, and it should get 66. Come on, push. Push this stupid hourly resistance. Go get me 400 bucks. One last hurdle is that little swing high at 65 here, 65.50, and this thing goes back to 800. This could pull back into support at 46. Couple hundred sellers coming in. Got some small sellers. They're getting bought. They're buying them up. Come on, got to get through that 62 and then 65, and this can go. Because above it is only 5-minute resistance, which is nothing. Come on, seriously. They bought a ton of these contracts back on the sellers. Sellers are still trying to press them. $100 sellers, 150 sellers came in, 200 sellers. 46 is going to be support. All right, gave back a few bucks on that. I still like the long here, guys. Need some buyers to get this above 55.50. Above 55.56, right where it keeps hitting and stopping. And this can push. Stuck at this freaking 56. When it breaks, it's going to rip. It's holding 15-minute support. God dang it, man. Seriously. Small buyers. All right, I'm shutting the bot off. I'm up 49.85. Bot's up 22.75 here. And up 18.90 on this. On the other NASDAQ bot. So we'll be back at it tomorrow. And we'll see if we can get after them tomorrow like we did today. If anyone needs me, send me an email. Nice job, Mark. Up 1,000. Nice job. Great job. Guys, I will see everybody tomorrow.